Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Labubu cookie. So let's get started. To draw this sweet cookie, let's first start by drawing the Labubu's eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve, nice and wide. And then we're going to come right underneath and draw this ovalish shape. All the way down, nice and big. And come right back up. Then we're going to come inside and draw a complete oval right inside. Then I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes, Labubu style, with two small circles for highlights, and then a curve at the bottom, and lines at the bottom right here, and then shade in the top. There. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to use that as my guide and come about right here and draw the same thing. There. So now I have the eyes in. I'm going to come in between the eyes about right here in the center and just draw a curve for the nose and connect it at the bottom. Then we need to draw a big smile. So I'm going to come to the center of the eye about right here and just come out, say about this much, and do the same thing on the other side about right here. And let's go ahead and draw a big curve right underneath the eyes, all the way across, and come right back to connect. And now that we have that, let's find the center, which is about right here, and let's start with some teeth. So on this side we're going to draw 4 and 1 more, and then on this side we need to draw 5, 2, 3, and then 2 thinner ones right about there. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and start to frame the face. So right in the center area, I'm just going to go ahead and say about right here, just start with this little curve, a little U, and then just connect it on both sides with 2 more curves. And then we're just going to start to go around the eyes and the mouth. And just do the same thing on both sides. So we're just kind of drawing this oval shape to frame the face. Go all the way around it, the teeth. And we want to get really close to the teeth. So just keep that in mind as you draw this curve. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to find the center once again. Go up, say about this wide, and I'm just going to give myself a point right here. From there, I'm going to start the ears. So I'm going to go up, just draw these cute brown ears, and then bring it down. And as I come down, I'm going to come a little bit lower to say about right here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure about the same height. And once again, come right back down. Kind of like drawing bunny ears. And then from there, we're going to go around to draw the outside of the face. So we're just following the inside. And go all the way around. And connect. So I'm just making the bottom part a little bit narrower. There. And then let's come back about right here. Just imagine this curve as if it was going through. We're just going to skip a little bit of space, and in the center right about here, we're going to draw the inside of the ear. And same thing on this side. So this would be the cookie part. And then to make it a cookie, let's go ahead and we're just going to, I'm just going to try my best to well, I guess I can't go lightly, but I'm just going to go ahead and go all around my drawing to give it this little trim for where the icing would be and then where the cookie will show. Go all the way. Just like as if you had this really big Labubu head cookie and you're icing it. And just leave a little cookie edge there. And then of course now we can decorate it however we want. So of course there's gonna be a lot of sprinkles, but I thought it'd be kind of cute also to maybe put in a little wave as well here and there of icing. I'm gonna go in there and erase that later when I'm coloring. And then of course just decorate it however you like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put in some sprinkles here and there. Maybe some are this shape. And just change the direction of them as you go. And let's see, what else can we make it more? You can add some heart shapes. So as always, this is just meant to inspire you. I can't wait to see your drawings, to see what you do and how you decorate yours. There, so I'll just put it at the top. A little bit random here and there, but that is pretty much it for my drawing here of a yummy, sweet Labubu cookie. I really hope I inspired you with this drawing and I made this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.